Hello everybody in the UK, my name is Sahar Shuker and I'm having this second video about Judge Mathews or Mathew Wales from the Bristol District Court in the UK. I'm doing this because in the last half year two people from the UK asked me about a continuous video about this judge. My native English is not English. I am a native Hebrew speaker. So I'm not practice every day to speak English. So I wrote an answer with the help of the ChatGPT. Okay, it is a general question. It is a general answer for almost every justice in the UK, because all of them behave the same. The exception is, I think, that Wales is an immature personality, is a child. Okay? So, hello, I'm glad you wrote to me. I respond carefully using artificial intelligence. I do not know you personally, and it is likely, I don't have glasses also, and it is likely that after exciting legal procedures, one of the parties will claim that every judge is corrupt. I am attaching a book I wrote about the Israeli judicial system even before I encountered the English legal system. I was struck by the fact that there is no real difference between the two systems in their violation of the principles of natural justice. I even applied to the High Court, which upheld the decision of the Bristol County Court Judge Mathew Wales. I filed a case against the United Kingdom at the European Court of Human Rights. The outcome was in favor of the United Kingdom. I wrote a follow-up book about the English legal system, but I do not have the financial means to publish or distribute it. My case is also unique. Should the decision be made according to the principle of natural justice, namely that no judge may sit in his own case, or should it be made in favor of diplomatic consideration at the relationship between the English and the Israeli legal system? I will present my case in Israel. I had a case against the president of the Israeli Supreme Court, and she was sitting in her own case because I sued the state of Israel and she was a key witness. I applied, and she was the justice in her own case. She was the justice and the key witness in the same case. Okay, it is very similar to the English case 1852. Judge Cottenham. The same happened to me. I showed this case to the UK system. Nobody answered me. Nobody wanted to help me, although my case was very similar. I would say totally similar. Okay. Generally speaking, Dimes versus Grand Junction Canal happened to me in Israel in 2021. Okay, this is the case. Generally speaking, it has been approximately 3 years since I appeared before him, and I have no idea wherever he has matured since then. Generally speaking, I do not believe it is within my power to heal someone else's damaged character, most judges around the world did not enter the legal system in order to rule according to the law, but rather to secure comfortable working conditions at the public expenses. To be a public servant anywhere in the world, it is to be part of a well-oiled relationship system. In most cases, public servants and the public are two entirely different creatures. The average public servant is someone who seeks job stability, and because of that desire, they serve the organization they work, not the public. A public servant is mainly concerned with no being dismissed and therefore avoids responsibility. What they truly seek is a fixed, secure salary. I would say that the judge you're inquiring about fits the classic profile of the ideal public employee, the kind every large bureaucratic system desire. For the system, he is the perfect worker. Again, time has passed. There is a book written in English. There is a book written in England titled The Secret Barrister, and from it I understood that okay, I make a partly email. Okay, just a second. I understood that the legal system is deeply corrupt. Yes. I would like to show my book. I'm stopping this video. Well, I don't know what you see or not here. Okay. This is my book that was written in 2021, before I appeared to the English legal system. Okay. Armageddon, the protocols of the adjudicators of Zion. Okay, an alarming first-hand testimony of the Supreme Court corruption in the Jewish state. This is the word, blah, 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 blah. Okay, this is my book. These are my details. Okay, I will stop this. I don't know if you see something. Okay, I will do it again. Okay, this is my book. I wrote it in 2021, and before Justice Wales, I appeared in 2022, maybe, I think. If somebody meet him, I ask him to tell the justice that I never paid the £33 he fined me. I will not describe why, but I never paid it. Okay? And I'm a free person. Okay? So, sorry, this is the situation. Don't find law and justice, because when the lion eats a zebra, nobody cares about the zebra's tears. Somebody needs to eat.